his prophets, the last of his messengers and his holy progeny, and in particular may his incessant blessings ever continue to flow on that 12th successor to the holy prophet, on Imam Asri wa Zaman Al-Qa'im Al-Mahdi Ajjalallahu Farajahu. Mohsin. Can you put that fan off, please? Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. The agenda for tonight that we had set out is to discuss alamat al-zuhur, those signs that portend the advent of the 12th Imam alayhi salam. That is an agenda which to us is of great importance, because that is how we come to know when the zuhur will take place, how soon it will take place, how close we are to the period when the reappearance will take place. When I first went through all these alamat for the sake of speaking on them, I found that there was a jumble of signs in the books, a number of signs put together, and one sees them even today in the books that are, some of the books that are published even today. Various kinds of signs put together, perhaps because it was felt that this is how they were expressed. I thought that it was more appropriate, particularly for the youth of today, to put them in some form of order. And so I have divided these signs into 3 categories, as you will find in the humble work I have done on the 12th Imam alayhi salam. But when you do divide those alamat in those 3 categories, as I have sought to do, you find that that is the pattern in which the alamat are to come true. And the first set relate to the social culture signs. And once you separate them, you find that the next group of signs are the geopolitical signs. And then there are signs that are imminent before the reappearance. And when those signs appear, we know we can then have a timetable, an exact timetable as to when zuhur will be. And it's a period of about 1 year, 11 months, during which various signs will emerge, 10 of them in particular. And those signs, according to Hazrat Amir al-Mu'mineen alayhi salam, are in... I'm sorry. Yes, as I've said before, never allow me to interrupt your salawat, because your salawat are extremely important indeed. If our sittings can be accepted by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, they may well be accepted only because of the salawat you recite in these meetings. Well, he said that 10 signs are inevitable signs. There are certain signs that have been given, but Allah in His mercy can avoid them. And he said, we certainly tell you what the signs are from the knowledge